Good morning, good morning. It is Wednesday, so today I'm about to go teach. I gotta go teach 9, then I got afternoon teaching at noontime. So right now, as y'all see every time, most of the time I'm always in the car recording, so vlogging most of the time, cause I'm always on the run. So right now I'm about to go stop in the gas. I'm gonna try to film one of my classes, but I ain't gonna be able to do it all because I ain't gonna be able to keep control of the camera because I have to stay focused for my teammates and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna see how the day go vlog, which it went good yesterday, so not nervous no more, so just a little. But yeah, otherwise everything went great. So I'll catch y'all when I get there. Bing! Made it here to class, to school. Bye. Let me see what I'm gonna take to. I should go to the bathroom, but I'll just take this bag again with me, cause this is what this gi this morning, and then no gi afternoon class. So I just might as well just bring both of my bags with me. I have to come back out anyway. I'm ahead to come back out. Hold on a second. I gotta open the door. Hold on 1 second, my little bro. Yeah. Yeah. Got better at it. But, oh snap. Getting better and better while I open the door. So, going in. Turn the lights. Bing. I put my shoes on. Shoes off. Bing, 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 bing. I might record the early morning class. I'm not sure. So, I use the bathroom real quick. Let me go. Use the bathroom. On to the room, but yeah, I see. I'm gonna try to record me teaching class. So let's see. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna try to record me filming class, teaching it. So I'll see y'all then. Hopefully, or you might catch me rolling, one or the other. Hopefully, if it ain't no music, but we'll see. Oh, what up? Yeah. Hold on, let me turn this off real quick, cause I don't want what's tonight to try to get me what. Yeah, today was a good day. This morning, I didn't get a chance to record my rollings, but it was a good roll. Good teaching class this morning. So now I'm getting ready for no gi. So, which will be on the other mats, to tell you the truth. It'll be on the other mats, but anyway. Scoop. Yeah, so it was a good class today teaching. Have fun. Got the roll at the same time. I think I got about 12, like I said, 12 pounds to lose to be like at 165 or something like that. So I can be ready. Otherwise, It's just good thing I'm trying to find a light to cut on from here. Cause I know we're gonna be on this mat 2 today. The no-gi one. Turn the light on down here. That's the light for this part probably. Yep. Now I gotta find the light for the other side. Where would that be at? Not that one. It'll be somewhere over here somewhere. Let me see. Have that work over there. Let me see if this is over here. Nope. Oh, sorry. Where the heck the light would be at for here? You would think it would be somewhere on the wall. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to find the light to shed on for this part. If not, then we might have to be in mat 1 or 2, whichever one it is. So, hopefully I can get the rolling in on this class. I can record it. So I'll catch you then. Well, just got done teaching the noon class. Now I'm about to get ready and go home and stuff to go take care of my business. And oh man, I ain't got my socks on. I left all this in the car. Oh well. But anyway, yeah, it was a good class today. Teacher both. I feel a lot of confidence. A lot of good confidence. Good confidence. But yeah, it was a good one. I couldn't, it's just I didn't have enough time to kind of record the rolling because one of many, and it's just not even like that, but I just decided to just roll and stuff as I was teaching. So yeah, so dang it, I gotta get this key. Hold on a second. What we do? Like this dude. Hi. So I was just locking the door. Got done with class. Oh, it's just so. What's that say? If anybody want to train when you come to Minnesota, this is the school you want to be. School you want to come and train at. Rio Jiu-Jitsu, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu school in Apple Valley. That's the address if you see it. But yeah, it was fun today. Oh, about to forget something. But yeah, teaching is cool. Tomorrow, back to it again. Actually, man, I'm loving it because like what I'm showing off is a lot of people like it and they getting it down packed. So the more I keep drilling it and they keep doing it, Rio Jiu-Jitsu, GFT. But the more I keep drilling it and doing all that, then I know that I feel better that they know what I know, because that's a part of the team. So yeah, they do it good, and then like if they be rolling with me or whatever, and if I decide to hit it off on them, the choke, then they know how to fight it, and they can figure out probably in their ways and other ways. You can always learn no matter what. You never will learn everything. Jiu-jitsu is a growing sport, art, sports at the same time, but hey, it's, you keep finding newer stuff, so hey, it's all good. So yeah, I get back to y'all once I make it home. I gotta do some things, so I'll holla, peace. Ha. Yeah, didn't let y'all know when I made it home, but I made it home, took my shower and everything, got straight. Now I'm up in here. This is not my store, but we going to Target here first. My family, they up in here waiting for me, so yeah, Target, and then we're gonna hit my favorite store, I think, after this. I don't know why. Shoot is crazy. I'm about to ride, try to see if they got any, what's the name, carts. I need, hey, do you got, excuse me, do you got, what, oh, there go one right there. I just need a cart because of my bag, so I, oh, snap. Hey. So what? Oh, my back.
I know, right?
Yeah, I got my back. Are you open? Hi. I want to pay my credit card bill.
Okay.
Yeah, my back hurt. I'll catch it.
Medical stuff over there.
Alright, my back hurt. I think it's like 60.
Do you have the red card?
I don't have my card with me.
You're gonna have to use that, or else we're not able to do a payment off.
They didn't give me the card because they sent it back. So because of my address had changed, so I gave them the address, and so I told them I would be going up to Target to pay it, and they told me just as long as I go up there and pay it.
Unfortunately, I'm only able to use the actual card for that. Yeah.
So then how
You're
would...
not able to unless you have the physical card.
That's what they say?
That's our policy. We can't, and I can't do anything right now.
So that means you can't accept no payment?
I can't. Yeah. I would have to know everything that's on that card.
I'll call them and they can give it to you.
I can give you the phone number, but that's all I can do.
I'm saying I can call them because I had a number. If they call and give me a number, then okay. That's all I wanted to know. That's kind of weird when you want to go pay a bill, and
Without the card, I can't really do anything.
but then they hustle you down, keep calling like, oh, you need to pay, you pay, and then that's stupid.
Probably this one. Alright. We can try both. Okay, put it in.
They still open right now, ain't they? Cause I know the number they called me was a 612.
Okay.
Can you get that, Nina?
Oh, you could go ahead and.
She has that.
Nope.
Yeah. Okay. I can know whoever's next.
These people, this is cool. Customer service.
So it will be just, if the original price was $34.99, you'll be getting $24.99.
Everything's there.
Alright? Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Because we don't have a good
I know how to laugh, but they just stupid.
Sorry.
Where you want to help? Photo?
I can upload.
Okay.
Do you have their number?
Huh?
What is their number?
Here, let me.
Where's this one picture? Okay, so
Nah.
Would it be any?
That is their red card number. For the if you lost your red card or any questions about it, you can go ahead and call that number right there.
So you can swipe in. No, you're good.
I can up right over here. Sorry about that.
Man, let me get back to y'all in a second. When I went up there, I was talking to the Target people on the phone, on the line or whatever, and so she was trying to explain me. So she was like, "Well, go by the lady who or whatever told me to whatever the thing or whatever." So I went by or whatever. So she got like about 5 white people come up there next, like I'm finna attack her or something.
Oh, wow.
So I wasn't even about it. There's some. I wouldn't even spend no money up in here. And this the Target in Coon Rapids. I mean, they like kind of all came up.
You did?
Yeah. Where did we get that? Where did we get our Target card? Like over there? Where did we get it at?
We got them over there.
When we got the Target card?
Yeah,
So we did get it from this store.
we did.
I wouldn't buy nothing though, cause I don't appreciate how the way they.
Well, no, I thought the pharmacist was coming through because I was like, "Do you guys got tube of Vaseline?" He's like, "I don't know where you think you see them, but they're not here.
Yeah.
We don't
see?
sell them." I go, "They do at Walmart."
See, that's what I'm saying. That's just what's
You
in
took
there.
everything out of the cart.
What card?
Our cart. Is everything.
Oh, here.
If they attacked you like that, I want them to attack me.
What Jaden at?
I don't know.
Let me go find Jaden.
He went and bought his pop.
He what?
He went and bought his pop.
A pop?
Pop.
Huh?
Pop.
Here. You can take the key. Okay. He ain't got no cart, dude. He just Jaden. Don't buy that. Don't get them their money back. I mean, get them their stuff back and buy the stuff at Walmart. Huh? You don't have the receipt? No, you can go back over there and tell them to get it and get your money. Because I wouldn't spend no money on here how the way they just treated me. They just treated me in a racist moment. They just did some prejudiced stuff. Come on, let's go. When you walk past, you gonna ask for the receipt. Oh, ain't nobody. You said you ain't got the receipt.
Well, he offered it to me and I said no because I didn't
Right,
have
when
it.
they ain't gonna let you out. Well, oh, ain't nobody at the door.
They don't do that here.
They did handle this.
This Target in Coon Rapids. It's racist and prejudice up here in Coon Rapids. This Target right here. I was trying to pay, and they, like all 4, 5 white people came up to me like I was finna attack or whatever, and I'm trying to talk to them.
Yeah.
So I would not spend my money.
I think he did get it.
This the one in Coon Rapids.
We are. We're trying to get through.
Come on. Actually, I parked right up there.
Parked right over there.
Yeah.
My big.
Back in my favorite store again, Walmart. Well, I got a story to say. You know what? I just experienced racism, prejudice, or whatever. I got treated like I was an animal. As you can see, I don't know if it's on here, if I got some of it or whatever, but it's the Target in Coon Rapids. The way, how the way they just treated me. and I don't know if I shop there, the one in Coon Rapids anymore. It's right across from Five Guys, right off of Main Street. So, ain't too much I can say because I'm really upset. Because honestly, stuff like that make me feel like I don't know what freedom is. I don't know how to get, I know how to get respect, but being free and not only being free, but I don't know, people just when they look at you like you some animal and treat you and you not. And honestly, I really don't even want to talk about it much more. I'm gonna try to go on with something else because honestly, it's just making me mad and heated right now. Hey, sorry. So I don't know. I just don't want to. I ain't even gonna talk about it right now, for real. Because the more I talk about it, the more heated I get. So, and they try to say we are the one that. It's, I don't know. But anyway, as you can see, I'm in my favorite store, Walmart. Now, I haven't experienced that through Walmart. So I was surprised people shop at Walmart than Target right now. I ain't gonna say all Target. But the Target in Coon Rapids, don't do, I wouldn't. Because of what I experienced today, it's not even worth spending money there. So, on to the next subject. Otherwise, my day was going good today because I was teaching, which y'all see earlier. But it's just funny and people funny, but we in here having fun. Look at both of them.
I like Walmart better.
Look at Thomas. And the surprise y'all see on there, y'all need to go to my son's page to watch his little brother being born. That's a good thing. So let me ride around and look and try to figure out some things right now, and I'll return back while we having fun at Walmart. Not Target, Walmart. And it's the Walmart. And is this considered Coon Rapids right here too? Yeah, Coon Rapids. They treat me okay here, but boop, 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 boop. Now I gotta walk over here to Cubs so I can go and put this money on my card so I can pay this Target bill. Credit card. Pay this. I shouldn't even pay them nothing, but I'm not finna. They try to mess my credit up or whatever. But I know one thing. I'm not, like I said, not all, but the one in Coon Rapids, that's the one I'm not going to. I keep saying stop talking about it, but it just got me my day so. This is some funny stuff that just it's 2019 and people still that way. Come on now. Yeah, I know Anoka. Even everybody tell me about that. Like, what are you doing out in Anoka? So I'll go in here and pay this bill. Hey, put it in my account. And chill. Ooh, can't wait till tomorrow now and go to class. Cause they heated it. I go to class tomorrow and teach. And as I teach, get over it. I get over it. They is closed, but I can put it in there. Let me hit y'all back.